In today's digital age, learning and sharing knowledge has never been easier. With the rise of online platforms, anyone with passion and expertise can become an educator, reaching a global audience and making a living by sharing their skills. One such platform that's empowering individuals to monetize their knowledge is Hotmart. Imagine a virtual marketplace bustling with online courses on virtually any topic imaginable, from photography and cooking to marketing and web development. That's Hotmart, a dynamic space where creators and learners connect, fostering a vibrant exchange of knowledge and entrepreneurial spirit. Whether you're an experienced professional looking to share your expertise or someone with a unique skill set eager to teach others, Hotmart provides an accessible and powerful platform to launch your online course and reach your target audience. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into what Hotmart is all about, how it works, and how you can leverage its features to embark on your journey as an online entrepreneur. Get ready to unlock the potential of the digital age and turn your knowledge into a thriving online business. Hotmart is a comprehensive platform designed to help creators like you build, market, and sell digital products with a particular focus on online courses. Think of it as your one stop shop for all things related to creating and launching your online course business. It's more than just a marketplace, it's a robust ecosystem that provides the tools, resources, and support you need to thrive in the competitive world of online education. From course creation tools to marketing and sales features, Hotmart empowers you to manage every aspect of your online course business. Whether you're a tech savvy entrepreneur or just starting out, Hotmart's user friendly interface and comprehensive support make it easy to navigate the platform and turn your vision into reality. Creating your first online course might seem daunting, but Hotmart simplifies the process, breaking it down into manageable steps. The first step is to define your niche. What are you passionate about? What skills or knowledge do you possess that others would pay to learn? Once you've identified your niche, it's time to structure your course content. Divide your course into modules and lessons, ensuring a logical flow of information that's easy for students to follow. Hotmart offers various course formats, allowing you to deliver your content through videos, audio recordings, downloadable materials, or a combination of these. You can create a highly engaging and interactive learning experience by incorporating quizzes, assignments, and discussion forums. The heart of your online course lies in its content. This is where your expertise shines and where you provide value to your students. High quality content is key to attracting and retaining students. When creating your course content, focus on delivering valuable, actionable information that empowers your students to achieve their desired outcomes. Invest in good audio and video quality to ensure a professional presentation, clear, concise language, engaging visuals, and practical examples enhance the learning experience and keep your students engaged. Remember, your goal is not only to impart knowledge, but also to inspire your students and foster a love for learning within your chosen niche. Section 5. Hotmart's Toolbox, features that empower your success. Hotmart goes beyond just hosting your online course. It equips you with a suite of powerful features to maximize your success. Their intuitive course builder allows you to easily upload your content, organize it into modules and lessons, and customize the look and feel of your course landing page. You can track student progress, monitor course performance, and gain valuable insights into your audience's engagement through their comprehensive analytics dashboard. Hotmart also streamlines the payment process, handling all transactions securely and offering various payment gateway integrations. Their affiliate marketing program allows you to expand your reach and boost sales by partnering with other marketers and influencers. With Hotmart, you have all the tools you need to create, market, and sell your online course effectively. Section 6. Marketing Mastery. Spreading the word about your course. Creating a great online course is just the first step. You need to get it in front of your target audience. Hotmart provides a platform, but you need to market your course effectively to attract students. Leverage the power of social media, content marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising to reach your ideal students where they are, build a strong online presence, engage with potential students, and highlight the value and benefits of your course. Offer free webinars, workshops, or introductory modules to give potential students a taste of your teaching style and the value they can gain from your course. Remember, building trust and credibility is crucial in the online world, so focus on providing valuable content and engaging with your audience authentically. Section 7. Success Stories, Real People, Real Results with Hotmart. Hotmart is brimming with inspiring success stories of individuals who have transformed their lives and achieved financial freedom by selling online courses. Take, for instance, Sarah, a passionate baker who turned her love for baking into a thriving online business through Hotmart. She created a comprehensive online course teaching baking techniques from basic to advanced and leveraged Hotmart's marketing tools to reach a global audience. Today, Sarah's online baking school generates a six-figure income, allowing her to pursue her passion full-time and empower aspiring bakers worldwide. John, a seasoned marketing professional, used Hotmart to launch an online course sharing his digital marketing expertise. His course quickly gained popularity, attracting thousands of students and establishing John as a thought leader in his field. NIP Section 8. Cost and Benefits. Weighing your options with Hotmart. Hotmart offers flexible pricing plans to suit various needs and budgets. You can choose from a free plan, which allows you to get started and create your first course, or opt for one of their paid plans, which offer additional features, marketing tools, and support. The platform operates on a commission-based model, meaning they take a percentage of each sale you make. This model aligns their success with yours, as they only profit when you do. However, the benefits of using Hotmart far outweigh the costs. You gain access to a powerful platform, a global audience, and a supportive community of creators. Hotmart empowers you to monetize your knowledge, reach a wider audience, and potentially achieve financial freedom by doing what you love. Section 9. Conclusion. Your journey to online entrepreneurship begins now. The rise of online learning has opened doors for individuals to share their knowledge, monetize their skills, and reach a global audience. Hotmart provides the platform, tools, and support you need to embark on this exciting journey as an online entrepreneur. Whether you're an experienced professional or just starting, Hotmart can help you turn your knowledge into income. So, take that first step, unleash your inner entrepreneur, and join the growing community of creators transforming the way we learn and earn online. Your journey to online success starts now, and Hotmart is here to guide you every step of the way.